An old stone barn over there. Oh crap. I'm running into stuff. There's an old storm cellar. Might lead underneath it. Dang. Hey, let's grow a tree where the stairs are. I was like, do you own it? Well, part of the land. I was like, oh, okay.
Oh, this land?
Yeah.
Oh. So we're really not going to get in trouble, huh?
Oh. Are you going to move that? Nice.
Oh, the floor looks bad.
Uh-oh.
What?
No.
Oh.
Don't fall through it.
Apparently I'm not that good at that.
Ooh. Floor's bad. Wow. There's like no floor under that tub. I don't even know what's holding that tub there.
Oh my god. It should be Christmas.
Okay.
No.
Guess I could record. Hey, the basement should be solid ground though. Aside from the wall that collapsed in. You're brave. Where'd you go? What's yuck?
The water in the tub. Big fall.
I'm surprised that didn't fall through the floor. This house is a lot bigger than it looks.
2 bathrooms. Is there a basement under here?
More like a cellar, but not under this section. What about this front door?
I couldn't get, look at all the nails.
I thought you said it was nailed shut.
No, I was scared I was gonna step on the nail.
Oh, this floor is real solid. Oh, look at the trim on the...
Oh, I wanted a picture of that. Can you light it from the side more?
That better.
Hold on.
I can dim it if you need it dimmed.
That's beautiful. It's above the doors too. There's nails all over in here. Be careful.
Yeah, it's kind of late. I've just kind of been walking.
See
Already
them all
have.
sticking up. Thanks for pushing me over.
I pushed you out of the way.
Oh yeah, that's what you did.
Damn, I almost died. It's kind of been walking.
See
Already
them all
have.
sticking up. pushing me over.
I pushed you out of the way.
Oh yeah, that's what you did.
Damn. I almost died.
See the bone?
The bone
It's cool.
is pretty clean. Here I am worried about.
Oh, you scared me.
You're like, don't step on the nails. It's okay if you fall through the floor. Then you pushed me.
Do you think these are sturdy?
Yes.
You do?
Yes.
They're awfully brave.
But I'm looking over here first. Is this the way we came in? Oh, this is the way we came in. Let's not go back that way. Where'd you go? I thought you just said I was braver than you, and here you are. You know. Ouch! Damn it! Watch out! You, and here you are. You know. Ouch! Damn it! Watch out! It's tall. Just hit my head on it.
Man, it's a big one.
I just said it looked bigger than it.
Nervous as hell.
Yeah, because you could fall through this floor, then another floor.
I know.
And get it on tape, would you? Camera?
Oh my god, there's airplane wallpaper.
There's a door. That's a door. I'm not stepping there though.
I'm scared to step in here because
Oh look, that's
but
cool.
there's airplane wallpaper.
Look at this.
Of course, there's none over here where I am.
Move your buttocks out of the way. Not back.
Look at it.
Oh yeah, it's kind of old.
You think it's okay? There's a hole there.
What's this?
Oh god. It's moving. It's bending. Oh my god. Here.
I don't know. Let's see. What was that noise? Oh yeah, you're good. These parts
Can you get that?
I was probably stepping on were the worst parts. GoPro stop video.
Okay.
GoPro start video.
Who's that one?
What's that? A crawl space? A attic? Oh, that pretty much leads outside. It's almost like if you stand in one spot for too long, that's when you die.
Should we go in the front?
With all the nails. If you think, I think that floor's a lot safer than the one we come in on, but if we go through where we came, at least we know. I was gonna say if we go out the same way, at least we know what's there. But we're not risking falling through a floor either. What nails?
All of these freaking nails. Y'all see these nails?
No, I don't. Jesus, I see those nails. What you're standing on don't have any nails.
Look, nails, 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 nails. There's freaking nails everywhere.
Quit stepping on it.
No. No.